Bald eagles are majestic birds of prey known for their large size, white head and tail feathers, and iconic status as the national bird of the United States. They are powerful hunters and have sharp eyesight that can spot prey from miles away. The behavior of bald eagles is fascinating to observe, with complex communication methods, family dynamics, and hunting strategies. Knowing how they interact with each other can help us understand more about the natural world and appreciate them in their native habitats. The bald eagle has a wide range of physical characteristics that make it stand out from other birds of prey. An adult bald eagle typically measures between 30 and 38 inches, 76 to 96 centimeters, in length with a wingspan varying from 72 to 90 inches across. Its body weight ranges from 6 to 14 pounds depending on gender and location. Bald eagles have strong legs with large talons used for catching their prey. They are also distinguished by their large sharp yellow beak which curves downward slightly at the tip. Bald eagles live for up to 20 years in the wild, while they can live much longer in captivity. Bald eagles are remarkable animals that have adapted to many different habitats and lifestyles. Understanding bald eagle habits is important for appreciating their impressive capabilities, as well as helping to protect them from threats in the wild. Let's explore the fascinating behaviors of this noble raptor. Bald eagles typically inhabit areas with tall trees close to bodies of water such as lakes, rivers, and coastlines. This allows them access to their preferred food sources like fish, small mammals, and waterfowl. They also build nests in tall trees, which provides a safe place for them to incubate eggs when they breed. Forests near open waterways provide optimal conditions for bald eagles to find food, shelter, and safety from predators, making it the perfect location for them to thrive. The bald eagle's habitat range extends throughout most of North America, including most of Canada, all the continental United States, and northern Mexico. Additionally, this species is found in parts of Central America and as far south as Panama on the Pacific coast. The bald eagle prefers to live near large bodies of water such as lakes, rivers, or oceans where there is an abundance of food sources like fish. They also enjoy living near wetlands or wooded areas, so they have a good place to build nests and roosting sites. The diet of bald eagles is largely composed of fish, but they also consume other birds, reptiles, and small mammals like rabbits and muskrats. Bald eagles primarily feed on fish that inhabit rivers, streams, lakes, and coastal areas near their homes. They will often swoop down from heights up to 100 feet above the water's surface to snatch up a meal. They may even swim down into shallow waters if necessary. Bald eagles also take advantage of opportunities to scavenge or steal food from other animals such as ospreys or herons while they are fishing themselves. Bald eagles are known to have impressive hunting prowess, taking on a wide variety of prey including fish, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and birds. The bald eagle has several advantages that make them an excellent predator. They have an extraordinary vision that allows them to spot prey from faraway distances. Their large wingspan enables them to soar high above their targets before swooping down for an attack. They also possess powerful talons which allow them to easily snatch their meals from the water's surface or even pluck unsuspecting victims from the ground or air. Moreover, bald eagles tend to hunt in pairs, which gives them an advantage over solo predators as they can use their combined strength and strategy to take down larger animals with ease. Bald eagles are iconic American birds, and their mating rituals are as majestic as the eagles themselves. The mating season for bald eagles begins in the fall, in southeastern states, or early winter, in western states, depending on the location. The first step of a bald eagle's mating ritual is the courtship flight. During this time, the male and female will soar around one another in a beautiful aerial ballet while they call out to each other with their signature shrill cries. These flights can last anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, during which time they also show off their strength by diving and swooping together. Once they have completed the courtship flight, bald eagles will start to build a nest together and create a bond that lasts throughout the year. This nest, or eyrie, is typically located high up in tall trees near rivers or coasts where there is plenty of food available for them and their offspring. Bald eagles mate for life. After mating has occurred, the female will lay eggs in a nest built from twigs and sticks high on cliffs or tall trees near water sources like rivers or lakes. Both parents tend to their eggs until they hatch around 35 days later. After hatching, the chicks remain in the nest for approximately 10 weeks until they learn how to fly and hunt on their own. Bald eagles build nests in tall and large trees near bodies of water such as lakes, rivers, wetlands, estuaries, and oceans. The nests can be up to 13 feet deep and 9 feet wide. Some have even been known to reach weights exceeding 2,240 pounds, 1 ton. These birds prefer tall trees with good vantage points over open waters so they can easily spot prey from afar. In addition to using sticks in their nest construction process, bald eagles often incorporate other materials into their nests such as grasses or seaweed for additional insulation. While they appear to be solitary creatures in the wild, bald eagles have complex social behaviors that allow them to successfully coexist in nature. Bald eagles form long-term pair bonds which can last up to 15 years or longer. The birds will also commonly migrate together and perform intricate courtship rituals that involve soaring in unison and calling out with loud vocalizations. They are also known for having unique hunting strategies where 2 or more birds work together as a team to catch food items from the water below. In addition, bald eagles tend to live in large communal roosts during the winter months where several hundred birds can gather at once for warmth and safety from predators. The bald eagle is North America's signature bird, known for its majestic beauty and strength. Its strong territorial behavior has been studied by ornithologists for centuries. Scientists have recently discovered that the bald eagle's instinctive protective nature has more to do with its nesting sites rather than a particular hunting ground. Bald eagles are monogamous creatures and will often return to the same nesting site year after year. These areas may span up to 4 miles in diameter, depending on the availability of prey and protection from natural predators. Bald eagles will fiercely protect their nests from any intruders, including other eagles attempting to colonize the area. To ward off potential threats, they may perform aerial displays that involve swooping down or lunging at their opponent with beak or talon extended. Bald eagles have many traits that allow them to easily adapt to their environment and thrive in their habitats. One of the most notable adaptations of this species is its unique behavior. Bald eagles are incredibly strong flyers that can reach speeds up to 100 miles per hour when they dive for prey. They also use thermals, or warm rising air currents, to quickly ascend into higher altitudes where they can survey their surroundings for potential meals. In addition, bald eagles have an extraordinary vision that helps them spot prey from distances of over 2 miles away. Bald eagles are known for being excellent hunters who usually prefer fish as their primary source of food. The bald eagle, America's national symbol, is facing a troubling threat. Their habitats are increasingly being destroyed due to human development and expansion. The effects of this destruction are devastating for the bald eagle. Their population has decreased drastically in recent decades. Habitat destruction affects the availability of food sources and nesting sites for bald eagles. To survive, they require large expanses of undisturbed land near water sources that provide ready access to fish, one of their primary sources of nutrition. Human activities have caused deforestation on a wide scale, which has limited safe places for these majestic creatures to nest and hunt for food. Additionally, pollution has also had an adverse effect on the environment where these birds live, thus further decreasing their chances of survival in some areas. In summary, the behavior of the bald eagle is one of remarkable resilience and adaptability. Few species have gone from near extinction to being a symbol of national pride, as the bald eagles have done in the United States. As their population continues to grow, we are afforded further insight into the incredible characteristics of this majestic creature. It's important to continue research and conservation efforts so that we may better understand these animals and ensure their continued existence in the wild.